Natikman niyo na ba guys ang bread na yan? So, masarap to guys. It is Iranian bread. Yan, Iranian bread ito guys. Sarap siya guys. Oh. So, try nyo. Yan ay masarap. Iranian bread. Yan. Sumuhan, i-try na. And our appetizer, water. Yes. Nice. Ayan pa guys. O diba? Masarap yan siya guys. And this one also. And that one. We'll start our appetizer. Yeah, yummy, yummy, yummy. Okay? Yes. So enjoy your food.